Welcome to this presentation of online career assessments offered by the Community College of Rhode Island Career Services Office. The most important thing that I want to express right now to you is that when it comes to your career development process, you're not alone. The Community College of Rhode Island Career Services Office is here to support you in this journey. And that's why we're here today, so we can discuss different tools offered by the Career Services Office at CCRI to support you. CCRI has 2 online assessments to assist you in your career journey, and we're going to discuss them today. The 2 tools are called MyMajors and Type Focus 7. And again, this presentation will provide you with information on each of these informative and helpful tools. Today, I'm going to break down career development into 3 important steps. You'll see this image of the pyramid, and at the bottom of the pyramid is self-assessment. Self-assessment can be broken down into an acronym, VIPs. VIPs are your values, interests, personality, and your skills. These elements can help you determine which path to follow related to your career and lots of other things too. Knowing your values, interests, personality, and skills can help you chart your path. The next step is exploring. Once you continue to grow your understanding of yourself, then you can use that understanding to explore different kinds of options for you. Some actions you can take in terms of exploration are participating in different kinds of classes, exploring internship opportunities, researching different options, and maybe even volunteering with different organizations. Through this process, you're taking what you're learning about yourself and trying it out in different contexts to see what fits. And as you're doing that, you may end up making your decision and determining which path is yours. When you're thinking about your career journey, it can include elements such as your strengths, knowing yourself. What majors do you want to consider? What do you want to study? And what careers are out there for you? It's important for you to know that while it's easy to put career development into a pyramid, it is critical for you to remember that career development is a lifelong pursuit. And it's not linear. You're always going to be learning about yourself, and that can be applied to your career development in different ways. It's also really important to note that changing careers is common. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the average worker currently holds 10 different jobs before the age of 40, and this number is projected to grow. Forrester Research predicts that today's youngest workers could hold 12 to 15 different jobs in their lifetime. This data illustrates that changing careers is common and that we grow and evolve and try different things along the way. First, today, we're going to explore MyMajors. MyMajors is a career assessment offered by the Community College of Rhode Island Career Services Office, which helps you decide which CCRI pathway or major to select to guide your academic career. This picture here on this slide shows you the different academic and career paths offered by the Community College of Rhode Island. Along the paths offered by the Community College of Rhode Island, you will see different options. The different options are called career transfer or certificate options. What's the difference? Well, here is the health and administration pathway. And again, you'll see career options, transfer options, and certificate options. Career options are options where you will study a career and jump right in. You'll be trained up to be job ready. You'll see the top option is dental hygiene. With dental hygiene, you'll follow a plan of study and be career ready to jump into a dental hygienist role. With transfer options, you're studying courses that will accumulate credits that will transfer into a bachelor's degree program. And you see the different options below, such as communicative disorders, health studies, or a bachelor's in nursing. Certificates are shorter-term training opportunities. They are career pathways that lead to a role in a shorter amount of time than the different career paths, and definitely shorter than a transfer degree. Some of the options listed below that you can see are coming out and being a phlebotomist, or doing therapeutic massage, or dental assisting. MyMajors assists you in evaluating your values, interests, and personalities and skills to determine which paths you may want to choose while you're at CCRI that will lead you to the role that you're interested in. With MyMajors, registration is quick and easy. You'll see here that you create a login with your email and a password and provide some general information, and then you can take the assessment in about 15 to 20 minutes. MyMajors is a great tool to use to help chart your path at CCRI. Type Focus 7 is what we'll discuss next. With Type Focus 7, you're not only thinking about what you're doing at CCRI, but you're thinking about your own higher level career development process. This is the login page or the dashboard of Type Focus 7. You'll see step 1 is career assessments. Again, the bottom of the pyramid, the widest area where it's important to know yourself, your values, your interests, your personalities, and your skills to help guide you along your pathway. In Type Focus 7, they outline 6 steps leading you to your career success. The 6 steps in Type Focus 7 are self-assessment, which we've discussed previously, exploring your options, and again, looking at majors offered by CCRI, different jobs, career clusters, and comparisons of occupations. In step 3, you're creating a career roadmap. You're using information from steps 1 and 2 and creating a path forward on your career journey. Career roadmaps consist of resources available to you and choices you could make of areas of study and job types that could be a great fit. When you move to step 4, you're getting career ready. You're learning how to help potential employers understand what you'll bring to the workplace and why they should hire you. Step 5 is all about landing the job you want. How do you brand yourself? What interview skills are going to help you land that role? Growing your professional network and how best to leverage CCRI Career Services to best support you in your career journey. Finally, step 6 is all about success on the job. Working in a career environment requires teamwork, lifelong learning, navigating challenging situations and conflict, and learning all about how to understand your transferable skills. Type Focus 7 and MyMajors are 2 incredible tools to help you navigate your career path process. The Community College of Rhode Island Career Services Office is here to help you navigate this journey. You can contact them for more questions by emailing them at careerservices@ccri.edu and visiting their website, which you'll see the link below. Contacting CCRI Career Services is important, especially once you complete these 2 different assessments. Your Career Services team can help you answer questions about these assessments and help bring life to what it is that you're learning and the path that you want to follow. Remember, this is a lifelong process of learning and exploration, and you are not alone. CCRI is here to support you. Thanks for tuning in today, and reach out to us. We're here for you.